All right, so we're here, front yard, trying to see if we can get this drone off the ground and get a couple of shots. So this is my drone right here, getting some shots here. If you want to differentiate your property in 2025, make sure you reach out to the innovator of drone technology here in Fairfield County, Mark Pires with Discover Connecticut and Coldwell Banker. Got what we need. All right, so we officially have the footage we need in order to at least get this property on the market. I took photos the other day, drone pictures now, and we do the walkthrough on Thursday, so make sure you join me and subscribe, turn on all notifications. Oh, finally home. That's what you'll say when you show up here at 90 Marsh Road in Easton, Connecticut. This is your home, right? Come on down, open house this Saturday and Sunday, and it's gonna get crazy. There's 6 houses on the market in Easton, Connecticut, this being one of them. So make sure you pop over if you're interested in anything that has a unique feel, contemporary vibe, modern flair. We got it. That's what we have here at 90 Marsh. 1299 people. This is a great value because it's totally finished and there's nothing on in Easton. Marcia, what, 6 properties in Easton?
That's it.
6 properties in Easton. So what are your thoughts 2025? You feeling optimistic?
I took the whole 2024 off because we moved twice and so
Wow.
I said, I'm going to get back into it. You know, I'm going to get my heart back into it.
Yeah, you really have to have your heart in it. You're right. Especially, it's not the easiest of businesses, especially when there's nothing on the market. Yeah.
I don't know if it'll change. I have no idea. What do you think?
I think that it's going to be a good year. I think we should have a good year just because for us, it may not be so good because there's nothing for us to find and sell. But the economy, I think, keeps trudging along for at least a few more years. We need inventory, though. So the only thing I think that will bring that is either lower rates or a crash. And if a crash happens, everyone's throwing their houses on the market at the same time. And then we're going to have 100 listings each, and no one's buying any of them.
No one's buying anything.
You know?
No inventory.
Exactly. So we're kind of same boat. So I'm hopeful that we just get the rates to 5.5. I've met a few people on my show that were like, hey, if the rates hit 5, we'll sell our house. But we got a 2.75 or we got a 3.25. Why would we sell?
Putting additions on it.
They're putting it, exactly. So my brother, who's a builder, and my father, they're busy. They're doing tons of work. But for us, we're out there just trying to remind people, if you need to sell, you're going to get more money than you could ever get in the rest of your life.
Yeah. And the answer to that is, but we're going to pay on the other end.
Yeah, that's true. But if you're going to get out of here, if you're thinking about it in the next year or two, get out now. Because when this market does turn, which will happen, then you're going to get what was normal, you know, and houses in Easton will be $750 again.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're dealing with inflation due to supply and demand. You know, we just don't have enough. Well, I'm very thankful you came, and hopefully you can get the right buyer for us.